Hello everyone, my name is Emilio Marquez. Today I'm going to present to you the first workshop of the ETL subject. This project implements an ETL pipeline to process candidate data, store it in a data warehouse, and generate meaningful KPIs for visualization and decision making. The objectives of this project was automate the data integration process, ensure data quality and consistency through the transformation, store data in a centralized SQLite data warehouse, and provide KPIs and visual dashboard to support business insights. Um, for this project, I decided to do a modular design. That means I do an independent script for each ETL stage. As you can see here in the extract um, stage, I read the raw data. Then in the transform stage, I cleanse and transform the dataset. And then in the load, I load the data into my data warehouse. Now I can show you my data warehouse. I do 6 dimensions and one fact table where I have all the information what I need to uh, complete successful the points of the workshop. And interest point, the higher column works because here in the transformation works the works because the higher data is not in the CSV file, and it show us who candidate what candidate was hired or not. Candidate was hired when the column of hired in the SQL file is equal to 1. It works with the code challenge score and the technical interview score. When these two columns it is over 7, it is minor to 7. This candidate is not hired, and it marked that with 0. Whereas when it is hired, it marked the candidate with a 1. Now, as you can see, here is the all data in the data warehouse. The CSV files has 50,000 rows. That is all here in the data warehouse. Now I want to show you the two plots I decide to do, or KPIs I decide to do, because what this one is the most interesting, because that explains me this the next plot that is one of the requirements of the ETL workshop, because this is an average technical score in the focus countries. It was Brazil, Colombia, United States of America, and Ecuador. The average of the technical score in the technical interview score of each country was certainly close to 5. But it explains here how the continuity in the hires in Brazil over the years and uh, as as we can see, over the years, Colombia has low the low the hires over the years. In 2021, um, goes to the lowest contract hired, the lowest hires in the history, with a one hire, with a one person hired. This one, I want to know about what was the average code challenge and what technology what the candidate is focused or specialized with this technology, was most the average code and is hired for that employee. As we can see, the most average has the most average code challenge score. It has the QA manual. The people who manage that show the data show that the people manage that technology is most certified to be hired um, um, for this enterprise, or to be applied to this um, work. If you want to see more of my ETL workshop, I can see do in my you can see that in the in the comments or in the description of the video. Thank you.